Today, we are going to draw something super cute and super fun. It's a cute calculator with heart buttons. Let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big rectangle. That is the body of our calculator. Great job! Now on the top right corner, let's draw a cute little bow. Now, inside the top part of the rectangle, draw a smaller rectangle. This will be the calculator's screen. Let's make our calculator happy. Draw two cute eyes. Now draw a tiny smiling mouth in the middle. Now let's draw the number buttons. On the bottom part, draw 9 heart shapes. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, 3 in the third row. Perfect! Now inside each heart, write numbers 1 to 9. Amazing counting, everyone! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Go over your lines slowly and carefully. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's take out our rainbow color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Color each heart with bright, happy colors. Make your calculator super colorful and fun. Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super cool and smart. A smartwatch. Are you ready? First, draw a rectangle shape. This will be the watch body. Now, draw another smaller rectangle inside the first one. This is the display screen. Now, draw a small button on one side of the watch. Next, draw 2 belts, one on the top and one on the bottom of the rectangle. Finally, draw an apple-style logo shape in the middle of the display. Wow! Nice job, everyone! Our smartwatch drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's coloring time. Let's bring out our color pens. We will color together. Ready? Color the belts blue color.
Wow!
Color the screen border with pest color.
La 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 la.
Color the background with light red color. Color the logo with orange color. Awesome coloring, little artists! You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, keep drawing, and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawings on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
Bye-bye, little artists!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.